It's a rainbow birthday party. Time for another DIY. For this DIY, we need latex balloons, dot tape, measuring tape, balloon pump, glue, and scissors. First, I arranged the balloon in the order of the rainbow color. I used the red beef, that's the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Okay. I blew up the balloon starting from the last color and deflated it. This kind of improved the elasticity of the balloon and do not allow it to pop up when blowing air to the required length. Okay, then I blew up the balloon again to the desired length, which I'll put in the description below in case you want to use as a reference measurement. Okay, so I blew it up to desired length and tie it at both ends. Then I tied the two ends together loosely to form an arc, which helps us form that rainbow shape by the time I'm done with all the balloons. Okay, so I repeated the process for the remaining 6 colors, blowing up and deflating initially, then blowing up to the required length. And I also used the previous one as the reference length for the next color. The next thing I did was to bring everything together to form the rainbow. So I loosed the smallest, which is the violet, and applied glue on the top part of it. So you can use the dot tape for this process, so I decided to use the UHU glue. Some people, you can also use a glue gun too for this process, but I felt the heat of the glue gun might pop up the balloon, so I decided to use the UHU glue. So the duct tape also work well for this process. So I applied the glue on top and attached the next color to it, and I repeated the process for the rest of the colors. Finally, I blew up the white balloons, which is for the clouds, and roll them all together in twos. I didn't have enough white balloons, so I had to use what I have, and so the cloud was not really much. Okay, so but it just formed something like a cloud. So when I attached that part of to the both ends of the rainbow. Please ignore the wedding at the on the white balloon, because it's not for a wedding, it's for a birthday party. Anyway, so that's it, and here you have it. A simple DIY rainbow balloon. You can use it as decoration for a rainbow theme birthday party. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you learned something in it. Please like this video, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. You can also drop a comment in the comment section below if you have any other idea.